done by those entrusted with public power, as it is inconsistent with the purposes and the objects of the Constitution. In passing this sentence, I am conscious that it is directed to the highest ranked police officer in this country. He is still in office. That might pose a challenge in the enforcement of the order, since in police service, seniority is highly regarded. That, however, cannot deter me from pursuing and standing firm in the defense of the aspirations of Kenyan people who desired at the time of enacting this Constitution to have a country that is governed by adherence to the rule of law. Part of the oath of office administer and defend this Constitution with a view to upholding the dignity and the respect for the judiciary and the judicial system of Kenya. End of quote. The Constitution of this country is supreme, and Article 2.1 reiterates that by stating that it defines all persons and all state organs. No man or state organ or authority is above the Constitution. The Constitution command through this court is that I uphold the rule of law by protecting the integrity of the judicial system. The significance of this sentence today is to vindicate the cherished principle of the rule of law in our constitutional democracy by restoring the dignity and the authority of this court in public interest. Borrowing from the South African Constitutional Division, the contemptor shall serve sentence as follows. The contemptor, Mr. Gilbert Masengeli, is sentenced to 6 months imprisonment. Ordered to submit himself to the Commissioner General of Kenya Prisons to ensure that he is to be committed to a prison facility to commence serving sentence of the imprisonment imposed. In the event that he does not submit himself to the Commissioner General of Prison service as ordered, the Cabinet Secretary for the National Interior must take all steps that are necessary and permissible in law to ensure Mr. Gilbert Masengeli is committed to prison to commence serving the sentence imposed on him. The court, nevertheless, finds it desirable to impose